Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Facebook on laptop. We start by opening the Microsoft Store from the Start menu. After that, we are going to look for the Facebook application and then we will install it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, we can open the Facebook application and log in. Another alternative is to install Facebook from the browser. To do this, we open Facebook from our Chrome browser. After logging in, we will see an Install Facebook icon in the address bar that we can click on. After that, we can click on Install and complete the installation process to see how the installed Facebook window opens using the browser. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.